raining a lot. Is this good for plants and soil? Viewers who are farmers are worried about the plants. Will the plants be damaged? Wheat, barley, etc. We planted it, but will it rot? Does it cause disease? Will they germinate or rot? Our viewers who are curious and love the soil and production say, we feel that even if we do not grow something, it will be harmful, they told us. We received a lot of questions like this. We also want to convey what we know. We will continue to inform you with the necessary experts in the future. Isn't rain a blessing? Something that gives life and rejuvenates. When you think about it, rain is the silent hero in the grand scheme of life. It provides much needed water that plants are thirsty for. It contributes to their development and growth. Consider the process of photosynthesis. Without water, this important process that forms the backbone of life on Earth would not be possible. Rainwater is also incredibly important in dissolving and distributing nutrients in the soil. Like nature's own distribution system, it ensures that essential nutrients are distributed evenly in the soil so that plants can easily absorb them. Rain also helps break down organic matter, contributing to the formation of a rich, fertile humus layer. This enriches the soil and provides a healthy environment for plants to thrive and grow. Indeed, rain plays a critical role in the growth and development of plants. Imagine this. The rain is pouring down, turning the world into a muddy soup. It has been going on for days and the ground is getting very wet. This is a scenario most of us have experienced. Although it may seem like a blessing for thirsty plants, the truth is far from this. Excessive rain can lead to soil erosion, a process in which the top layer of soil is washed away. This layer is rich in nutrients and organic matter that plants need to grow. When washed away, it leaves behind a less fertile subsoil, making it harder for plants to thrive. Flooding is another matter. It occurs when soil becomes so saturated with water that there is no room for air. You see, plant roots need oxygen as well as water. When the soil becomes waterlogged, the roots cannot breathe, leading to a condition known as root drowning. And then there's nutrient leakage. This means excess rain leaches vital nutrients from the soil deeper than roots can reach. This is like drinking water from a glass that is constantly emptying. The plant has difficulty getting the nutrients it needs, and over time, the plant becomes weaker. Many fungal and bacterial diseases thrive in moist conditions. Too much rain can lead to an explosion of these pathogens. These diseases can weaken or even kill plants. This can contribute to problems caused by soil erosion, waterlogging, and nutrient leaching. In fact, although rain is vital for plant growth, too much or too little can be harmful. It's a delicate balance that nature generally maintains quite well. However, when the scales tip too far in one direction, the results can be devastating. Frankly, excessive rain can be as harmful as drought. What about seasons? Does the timing of rain matter? Really it is. Seasons play an important role in the life of plants, the health of the soil, and the livelihood of farmers. When it comes to rain, timing is very important. Consider this. In spring, the soil warms up and the seeds break dormancy. Rain is often a blessing during this season. It provides much needed moisture for the germination of seeds and the growth of young plants. However, too much rain can dilute the soil. It can deprive the roots of oxygen, and it could potentially cause the seeds to rot before they germinate. Then comes summer, a period of rapid growth for many plants. They need water, but they also need sunlight. Too much rain can create a humid environment that is perfect for the spread of diseases such as fungal infections. On the other hand, regular showers can save farmers from the difficult irrigation work in scorching heat. Autumn, the season of maturity and harvest, also has its challenges. Excessive rain can make the soil too wet for heavy machinery and delay harvest. It can also lead to significant losses due to rotting of crops in the field. If the ground is bare during winter due to cold temperatures and often heavy rainfall or snowfall, it can lead to soil erosion. But this is also a time when many plants are dormant. Therefore, the effect of rain is less. Different plants have different water requirements, and various fruits respond uniquely to rain. For example, winter wheat likes a good soaking, while tomatoes prefer the warmer and relatively dry Mediterranean climate. From the farmer's perspective, seasonal rains can be both a blessing and a bane. A well-timed rain can save the crop. An ill-timed flood can ruin an entire season's work. Unpredictability of weather conditions and therefore dependence on seasonal rainfall is one of the many challenges faced by those engaged in agriculture. So the timing of rain can make a big difference in a plant's life and a farmer's livelihood. Rain is a welcome treat for many plants. However, too much rain during the summer months can cause many problems in the garden. Foraging insects such as bees and native pollinators must travel long distances in search of pollen and nectar during rainy periods. Overly wet soil can also limit the ability to enjoy daily walks in the garden. And in heavy soil, it may take several days for the water to drain. Although we cannot stop the rain, and it is impractical to set up a rainproof tent in the garden, there are some preventive measures that can be adopted to minimize the effect of too much moisture on plant growth.